I got Xbox Elite 2 controller and the customer said the LB button is not working good. So in this video I will try to clean the button first. If it's not fixed, I will try to change the button. Let's start. First, let's check the controller. This one is working, and as you can see, is not register. You need to push hard to register. Okay, so first let me try to clean the button. I will clean it with the contact cleaner. You can use any electronics contact cleaner. Now we can test. And it's still not good. I think I will change the button. All the part is back and it's time to test. Let's see. Yep, it's working perfect. Alright, this controller is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.